textbook case. It was a physical thing when she saw his face. She looked at him, she saw her future. How could she obtain such a beautiful creature? He was sitting across the room. He was drinking coffee. He looked like a groom. He had those eyes. He looked at her. She had some doubts, but she did not let them get her. She made a picture of him, then she showed it